Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our brief overview of the 2011 Joe Rocket Fallout Limited Edition jacket. Now, this is a textile mesh jacket that's great for three-season riding through the summer. So spring, summer, fall, and depending on your temperature tolerance with the liners in, you can stretch it early spring and late fall. If we look at it, main textile construction with mesh built in, and you also have some reinforcement on the impact areas. Officer PCB here to my left is 6 foot, 190 pounds, about a 42, 43-inch chest. He's wearing a size large. So what I would consider that is going to be really an average American cut for this jacket because it fits him quite well. If we look at some of the nuances on this bad boy, CE removable shoulder armor, elbow armor, a back pad that's upgradable to CE back armor. Notice I did talk about this big mesh system that starts at the neck and goes down, so it's going to be optimal when you're in the 3/4 or the tuck position. If we open this bad boy up, you're going to see that it is a full sleeve quilted, lightly quilted liner. So that's going to give you a windproof thermal layer that allows you to stretch it into the cooler times of the year. And then watch this, it's magic. When I open it up, you're going to have the mesh liner on the inside along with these straps that'll go through your belt look and will hold the jacket in place at aggressive or spirited riding at speed. All right, so go ahead and turn that way for me, Officer PCB. As I said, you're going to have CE rated shoulder, CE rated elbow, reflective piping around, elasticated stretch panel. Turn backwards for me. More reflectivity and this cool Fallout graphic, which is concentric circles of Fallout Destiny, I'm guessing is what they were going for here. Black and white down the back. And notice we do have that removable back protector. And we have some temper foam, which is actually one of my favorite features in the seat here. And then you have adjustment along the hips. Now this temper foam with the belt loop to keep it in place is going to save your hide if you go down at speed and you're sliding on your back, which is typically something that is a common occurrence. And if we notice under the arm, you're also going to have a lot of mesh here as well. We did talk about the sizing. PCB is wearing a size large. Remember, 190 pounds, 6 foot. So it's a generous American cut. Come back around for me. So remember, the Fallout is over 39 bucks. We'll ship it for free. If you get the wrong size, send it back to us. We will exchange it for free. If you just don't like it, leave the tag still on it. Send it back to us. There's never a restock fee here at RevZilla.com. And as always, it's over $100. You can earn TeamZilla cash to be applied to your next order as part of our loyalty program. It's one of the rewards for continuing to shop here at RevZilla.com. Thanks for watching our brief overview of the Joe Rocket 2011 Fallout Limited Edition jacket, available at RevZilla.com/Joe Rocket. Officer PCB, you've been no help to us today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.